Good morning, everyone. Day 2. We're going to the gym. So they don't do any plastic, so they give you this in the room, and then you fill it right here. You fill it right here. It's supposed to be filtered. We'll see. We see any cappies today. Capybara. Linguini cappuccini. Oh, look, a peacock. We got the buffet that we haven't gone to yet. Hopefully after this gym session.
They close at 10.
Close at
10.
12? So yeah, buffet is only open till 8 to 10. So something else is gonna be open from 10 to whatever. 10 to 1. So we'll see what happens. I knew that was gonna happen. I don't know why we brought it. We're gonna get charged. We're gonna get charged 400 Mexican pesos. I think it comes out to like $20. So it is what it is. Glass is still right there, broken. Yes, the lady said you weren't supposed to take it out the room. That's what I said. Gym was straight. It's hot as hell in there, and it was packed.
It wasn't bad for a hotel gym, though.
No, it was good for a hotel gym, but it was just too many people in there.
So
Like it was like 2 people to each machine.
It's better to come later than early in the morning.
What the hell? We got some animals over there. What the? Hola. Table for 2?
Okay, sir, you can choose that. We close 10 o'clock and the food zone close 10:10. It's okay?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Alright, so it's like 9:50. The food closes at like 10:10, and they locked us up at 10. So, let's see what they have. My favorite. Chocolate. Try this watermelon. Like they have nacho station. This is what we got for. Thank you. We got fruits, hash browns, bacon, and chicken fajitas. Got an omelet, melon, and 1 hash brown. Love the hash brown. Hash brown. Fire. Chicken fajita with potato under. Green juice. Yeah, that is horrible. Oh.
It's hell.
I don't even know about that. There's like no sugar in it. Alright, we're out of here. 90. We have a pet gecko in our room, and it's in there. Behind the refrigerator.
Ready?
I tried to pick it up, but it's too fast. Alright, we're going to the beach. I saw a video about saltwater crocodiles yesterday, so we'll see what happens. We're to meet her parents at the buffet we went to yesterday. They didn't let her in. You gotta wear a t-shirt.
Really? That was wearing a bra when we just walked out.
Yeah.
Like a sports bra.
There's another one over there. Yeah, look, he's trying to get out. We got her shirt.
He wants to see the buffet.
So we got in the buffet. It's the same thing that was at the other one. All right, we're going to the beach. There's big howling monkeys. Yeah, you can hear them. I think they're communicating back and forth. Alright, we're going to the beach. Water station. Sorry. Alright, time to get a real taco El Pastor. Lo mismo. Thank you.
Provecho, amigo, ¿cuántos?
Trace.
Yeah. Yeah, it was worth getting into that line early.
Yeah.
They all came running.
Those tacos were fire. We're gonna give them probably top 5 Al Pastors in my life. Where we're usually from in Connecticut, they're usually horrible. So thank God they were good. Yeah, we're gonna give it an 8 out of 10. All right, we're gonna check out the buffet. Chicken, white rice, mussels, a chicken burger, and tuna. Alright, we're gonna go on the jet skis. They gave us a deal, $90 for 30 minutes, so let's see what happens. First time on a jet ski. We're gonna do the double. Alright, we're ready. Jet skis. This might be our last video. We don't know.
Yeah, he said pay after. So we might not make it.
53, que 53. 53. Estupendo. ¿Quién va a ganar? Who will be the winner? Let's see in a few minutes more. Letter I-21. 71.
What do you rate it?
Estupendo.
9 out of
Tenemos
9.
letter I, letra I. 28, 28.
Happy famous.
Here we go.
9 out of 10. What do you rate it, Jaden? What do you rate it? 6 out of 10 chocolate. Alright, we're going into the ocean. Great landing. They're saying the water's 85 degrees. I don't know about that. It's a tidal wave. Oh, she's drowning. I guess it's Italian night. The fish area. I guess this is the town. Indian one of them. Chicken pot. Is there cheese on it or no? Alright, yeah. Rice, veggies, fish, chicken in the back. This is what they have on the Mexican side. Like, she makes a taco right there. Huge salmon. Big fish. Thank you for the prepared dinners that they have. You know, they always have the pizza station. They always have pasta. So we got
able to see it?
chicken taco, salmon and veggies, chicken parm, all the extra. Salmon's great. They need salt. I always saw a guy interviewing a lemur, right? In the garbage. I think it was a YouTube guy who was interviewing a lemur climbing into the garbage. Taco straight. Chicken taco with onion, cilantro, garlic. I mean, guacamole.
On your plate.
Fuck. Ah, I'll fly off.
So you drink it, then take the lime?
No, we tried to have the lime first, right?
Nah.
Oh, I thought it had to, and it's
Salt, but when I licked it, all jumped out.
It's salt, drink,
Lime. Yeah. Tastes good.
That way it doesn't burn.
It was real sour though because of this, but they're all getting dessert. So we're doing a room tour. 1710. So you scan in with these. Alrighty. So this is the room. Bed. 2 lamps. Little table. Couch. That's our stuff. Let's see what's in here. A little, oh, okay. A little coffee maker. Make your coffee. A little seat with a pillow, garbage. Okay, we got refrigerator. So this stuff is all included. It's all included in your, your package. There's supposed to be 2 Coca-Colas there, but drink those. Put shoes there. Our maleta. And a closet. Yep. It's a closet. Oh look, I got an umbrella. I didn't even know that. So shower. You got your 3 dispensers. You got soap, conditioner, shampoo. We brought our own, so water pressure is good. Mirror. Got more dispensers. Lotion, soap. Towels. They change that every morning. She's drying her stuff right there. Blow dryer, mirror. Got our wipes, So, yep. They told us not to drink the tap water at all. They said we can use it for taking a shower and to rinse your mouth, but don't drink it. And yeah, that's what we have. We got the balcony. You lift this right here. Yeah, we're on the first floor. It's hot as hell. Put some dominoes on there. So yeah, this is it. This is it. Capybara. Little tail. Imagine if those were walking around New York. Alrighty, we're at Cancun Airport. I got through all the gate.
We're at Starbucks, and they have different things, but they're all out of the different things. So we had to get regular stuff.
What'd you get?
Pink drink with boba pearls. Yeah, that's it.
What'd you get, Jay? The same. We're not sponsored.
Taste test.
Good?
Yeah, good flavor. Strawberry and coconut milk.
What do you rate it?
8.
8? What we're doing.